Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see the steps to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code on Windows. Okay, so to install the Visual Studio Code, the first step, you can search for Visual Studio Code download. It will give you this link on browser, or you can directly go to this link, Code Visual Studio download. I will also provide this link in the description. Okay, and click on a Windows download option. So it will redirect to this page and click on save. You can see that the download has been started. So download is in progress. Wait for the download to get completed. Okay, so the download is completed now. Now go to the file, double click on the exe. So run this exe. Accept the agreement. Next. 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 Here, tick the boxes for create desktop icon and open with code. Click on next. Click on install. Okay, so the installation is complete. So now you can see there's a checkbox which is ticked. So once you click on finish, it will automatically launch the Visual Studio Code. So I'm clicking on finish. So the Visual Studio Code is being set up. And you can also open the VS Code by typing in Visual Studio Code. There is another way to launch the VS Code. Let me create a sample folder. So here you need to right click, open in terminal. So this will open the command prompt inside this particular folder. Here you need to type the command code space dot, click enter. So this will open the Visual Studio Code. So this is also another way to launch the VS Code. So I have also documented the steps that we have discussed here. So I will provide the link to this in the description. You can also have a reference to this. Okay, so these are the steps to download and install the Visual Studio Code.